Highlands Hike and Hills. If you're new here, welcome. And if you have been a subscriber, thank you for continuing to watch my programs. So, today I'm going to walk you through the process of EPIC verification, which is super important for medical professionals. So, let's dive right in. As you can see on my screen, that's the first thing you need to do is to head over to the ECFMG website, and I have the link right on the top here. I'm just going to highlight it for you. So that's the link. And you can see here is you have two portals, so the physician login portal as well as the report portal. So report portal is the one that you will need to click to create your Epic account, which is the first um, component of verifying your medical credentials. So you would need to have an Epic account. So there are a few documents that you need to have with you before creating an Epic account. First, you need to have a valid passport. You need to have a passport ID photo. You need to have a Visa card for online payments. You need to have a laptop, a good smartphone with camera. And for those of us in Papua New Guinea, the estimated cost um, for the whole process is around 1050 kina. All right. So step one is to create an Epic account. After you've set up the account, you will receive an EIF form that needs to be verified by Notary Cam, and the link will be sent to you. So let's just pop right into the Epic portfolio. So as you can see on the screen, this is the outline. So you will need to have, like I mentioned earlier on, passport, a scanned copy of your passport, ID sized photo. Those are two things that you need to have. And then in here, you'll fill in all your details, your biographic, the medical school, medical registration and license, and then upload your passport as well as your photo. And then if all these are accepted, then you will proceed on to do your payment, which is 130 US dollars, estimated 400 Papua New Guinea kina. All right. After that is done, ECFMG will send you an email, um, which I just showed you down here, where they will tell you, okay, an email that they have received your application, and then to give them 3 business days. After that, they will send you your password as well as your username, which you can change if you need to. Once that is done, once you have your portfolio, then ECFMG will require you to verify your ID, and that is through Notary Cam. So there's a form called the EIF form, which will be in your portal, and you have to download it. And then Notary Cam will send you a link in which you will follow. So let me just open this email. So this is the email that you will get from Notary Cam, and this is the link that you will use to log in to help them verify your ID, mainly your passport as well as your EIF form, right? So once you upload those 2 documents, and if it is accepted, then uh, you will need to arrange a meeting with the Notary Cam to meet with them in person, like a video call. Um, and then from there, they will just ask you to show your passport on the camera. That you should use your phone. And then after that, there's an oath that they will ask you to repeat after them, and then they will sign off your EIF form and have it emailed back to ECFMG. Once ECFMG has received your EIF form, they will send you an email telling you that they have accepted your EIF form, and now you can begin to upload your credentials for EPIC primary source verification. Yes. So once you upload your primary medical qualification, there's a fee that you will need to pay for them to verify, and that's 100 US dollars. Um, Once you pay that fee, the ECFMG will send you an email that they're sending your primary medical diploma for verification. So this was mine that ECFMG emailed me, and they said that they were submitting the paper on 6th of May for verification and for me to monitor the progress on my portal. All right. So you also have to email or call your university to let them know in advance that they'll be contacted by ECFMG, um, and so they should be ready. So what I did was I emailed UPNG and I told them that ECFMG will be contacting them to verify my medical credentials, so they were aware. For Papua New Guineans studying in the University of Papua New Guinea, you will need to contact the executive dean for School of Medicine and Health Sciences. What I did was I contacted um, Rose Solian, so she's the secretary for the dean, and then I told them that I, ECFMG was to contact them. Yeah, so 3 weeks later on, UPNG emailed me with an invoice that I need to pay, which was 150 kina. And so I made the payment, and so they sent my papers back to ECFMG this week. So I'm just waiting for the reply from ECFMG. So hopefully by next week I should be able to see the updates. So once your primary medical qualification is verified, then they will upload that to your portal and you should be able to access it. And if you want to, you can share it with whichever organization you want them to have the report. Yeah, so that's the process. If you need any help, please reach out to me on my email or put that down in the chat box. I've also attached a link to the website on the description box. You can go have a look yourself and reach out to me if you need any help. So the estimated cost for the whole process is 1,050 kina. So you should have that money ready when you're trying to apply. Thank you.